Hi everyone. This is kind of a fun question for me because I find it amusing. Then this came up in my Facebook group. It comes up every now and then. When you'll suddenly get a message from someone, or it's someone that you know, and they say, "Oh, can you tell me where you got all your materials and give me a full walkthrough of how you make your products? Because I want to make one for myself, but I don't want to pay you." Or they even go so far as to say, "I want to sell the same thing." Okay, you don't have to tell them anything. Just tell them that's proprietary information and I don't give it out. That's it. You don't have to have any other excuses. Now, don't get really offended when people say that because a lot of times they're just clueless and they really don't think that you're going to be offended. They think you're going to be flattered that they want to copy you. Okay, no. But don't take it as an offense. It's just people don't know. But you don't have to tell them anything. Just tell them, I don't give out my proprietary information. And that's it. You don't need to give them excuses. You don't need to do anything. And if they say, well, will you teach me how to make it? If you want to and you want to sell them a tutorial, or if it's someone that you know in real life, and that happens a lot, you can say, sure, my rates are $100 an hour for teaching. And if you'd like to come over, I can give you a materials list that you'll have to go and pay for. And then I will show you how to make the thing. That's pretty much going to stop them right there. So don't be afraid to say no. And what I've found is that when I mark those messages as spam on Etsy, it doesn't put them in the spam folder. So I don't know if that's the Etsy messaging system, but you don't have to respond to that. If someone sends you a message on Etsy, mark it as spam. It should go into the spam folder and then it's counted as a response. So don't feel like you need to be polite. Don't feel like you need to give anybody any information. Just say, I don't give out my proprietary business information and leave it at that. Leave me any questions and I will talk to you later.